Take a moment to settle into your seat, letting your body find a position that feels supported and at ease. Allow your hands to rest softly in your lap. Let your shoulders drop just a little. Let your breath arrive just as it is. Slowly take a gentle inhale through your nose and a long, unhurried exhale through your mouth. Again, a soft breath in and a slow release out. Feel your body beginning to soften as if it's exhaling with you. As you breathe, imagine the world around you becoming quieter, the noise of the day loosening its grip. The expectations, the roles, the to-dos, they can all rest now, for this is your time, a small pocket of stillness where nothing is required of you. Let your awareness drift down into your hands. Notice the warmth there, the subtle tingling, the quiet readiness. These hands have created, held, carried, tended, and expressed so much throughout your life. Today they will speak again, not with words though, but with colour, shape, and movement. Take another slow breath, and as you exhale, imagine a soft inner doorway opening. The colours, shapes and marks that belong uniquely to you. You may not have noticed them before. They may appear without planning, without logic, without explanation. And yet they carry meaning. They carry memory. They carry truth. Allow an image, a colour or a simple shape to gently rise in your mind. Don't force it. Don't search for it. Just let it float up like a leaf drifting to the surface of a still pond. It might be a circle, a line, a spiral, a colour that feels warm or cool, or something you can't quite name. Whatever appears is welcome. Notice how the symbol feels in your body. Does it feel soft or strong? Quiet or bright? Does it feel familiar or new? Let this symbol be your companion for today's painting. A guide, a whisper, a starting point. You don't need to understand it. You don't need to make it look a certain way. You're simply allowing it to move through your hands, onto the page, in whatever form it chooses. Take one more slow breath in through your nose, and a long, gentle breath out. When you're ready, begin to open your eyes. Let your gaze fall softly on your materials. Trust your inner language is already awake, already speaking, already to be seen. And now, with curiosity and kindness, you may begin. Namaste.